In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your name on LinkedIn. Whether you're updating it after a name change or simply correcting an error, this process is both quick and straightforward. So, let's dive in and start by navigating to the LinkedIn website. Begin by opening your favorite web browser and typing in linkedin.com in the address bar. Hit Enter to navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your account credentials. If you're already signed in, you should be directed straight to your LinkedIn homepage. However, if not, look toward the top right corner of the homepage and locate the Sign In button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. After you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn home feed. This is where you can catch up on all the professional updates from your network. But for now, let's focus on editing your profile name. To do this, locate and click on the Me icon at the top of the page. This icon often appears as a small version of your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. Select View Profile from these options, and you'll be taken directly to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, you'll find various sections detailing your professional information. Direct your attention towards the top section, often called the Intro section, where your name, profile picture, and headline are displayed prominently. To make any edits, look for the pencil icon that represents Edit in the top right corner of this section, and click on it. Clicking on this icon will allow you to edit the details in the Intro section. You'll now see different editable fields, including your name. Click on the Name field to begin typing. Carefully make the desired changes to your first and last name as displayed. Ensure accuracy to maintain a professional appearance and consistency across your LinkedIn presence. Once you're satisfied with your new name, don't forget to save your changes. You'll usually find the Save button towards the bottom of the editing page, but double-check the spelling and appearance of your name just to be sure. After saving, your profile will automatically update to reflect these changes immediately. And that's it. You've successfully edited your name on LinkedIn. Feel free to review your profile to make sure everything looks just right and reflects the professional image you wish to project. Stay tuned for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day updating your professional network.